Hello, this is Michael Anderson. I'm going to show you how we use the Zoom report analyzer to determine which students actually were on your Zoom, when they logged in and out, and how long they were on. This helps you target kids that you might need to reach out to, tell them to be on the Zoom longer or to log in on time or not log out too early. So you go to your Zoom, click on the reports section over here. We're going to click on usage. Let's click that right there. We can select a date range if we wanted to. This is all of the classes, the Zooms that I had in this date range. So I'll just select any one of these. And then I'm going to select export. I'm not going to do anything else, just export. And this is going to make an Excel spreadsheet to appear on the bottom left of my screen. So I'll go ahead and do this right now. So now I have that exported. So I'll close this little window here and open up my Excel file. And what you'll find when you open these is they're not very useful. The first thing you're going to notice, most of the time you get these little numbers signs. That's because the numbers field is too big or too many digits for the actual width of the column. So the first thing I need to do is just expand these at least enough so I see numbers. I don't have to see all the numbers, just something. And also notice that all of the names are out of order. They're not in any alphabetical order. Some are repeated, because you know how some kids log out, log in, Wi-Fi connections, whatever. So all you have to do is get this report generated, open up these columns here so we can see the numbers, and then select all of A through E. I just grab those column tops and scroll over and copy all this data. Okay, then I'm going to go to the Zoom report analyzer that basically starts out like this. I'm going to click in cell A1 and then do Control V. That's going to paste all that data in, and then the little calculator analyzes it. It organizes it alphabetically for me, color codes it by time spent on, and that will be the time right here, and then it tells me the login and log out times. And then over here, this is thinking right now, but this is going to tell me the kids that have the shortest times on in order. So I got to talk to Ronan and Avery because they were barely on. And then who logged in the latest, because there's some kids that log in like right before you're done and you saw them, so you think that they may have been on the whole time, but they weren't. So this helps you target certain kids and also helps you figure out who did what and notice how fast that was to use. And all I have to do to go to the next class is just click the reset button. That clears everything out, and just download the next report, put it in A1, and it'll work. So you can have fun with that and keep track of your kids. Good luck. Take care.